Your outside mirrors can be adjusted and folded manually or automatically, depending on your vehicle. If your vehicle is equipped with power-adjustable mirrors, the controls are located here. Push either the left or right switch to select the mirror you want to adjust. Then use these arrow switches to move the mirror to the desired position. Your vehicle may be equipped with manual or power trailer telescoping mirrors. The mirrors can be extended to provide a better view when towing a trailer or other wide load. Push this switch to enable power telescoping mirrors. Then you can extend or retract the mirrors using the arrow buttons. If your vehicle is equipped with manual telescoping mirrors, simply push or pull the mirror to the desired position. If your vehicle is equipped with power folding mirrors, simply push this switch to fold the mirrors in, and push again to return them to their normal position. If your vehicle is not equipped with power folding mirrors, you can fold the mirrors manually by pushing or pulling the mirror. If equipped, your outside mirrors will automatically fold when the ignition is placed in the off position and all doors are closed and locked. The mirrors will unfold automatically when the ignition is placed in the on position. If equipped, your outside mirrors may tilt slightly downward to provide better ground visibility when the vehicle is placed in reverse. They will return to their original position when the vehicle is shifted out of reverse. This feature can be turned on or off within your vehicle settings. If equipped, you can adjust the lower convex mirror by pushing this switch. Then, select the mirror you want to adjust by pushing the left or right switch. Use these arrow switches to move the mirror to the desired position. To return control to the large mirror, push this switch again. Your outside mirrors may be equipped with forward utility lights and rear guidance lights. These switches turn on the corresponding light for 10 minutes when the vehicle is in on or ACC mode. Push the switch again to turn the light off. The rear guidance lights do not operate when the vehicle is in drive. If equipped, your outside mirrors may adjust for glare by automatically dimming when there is a following vehicle. If equipped, your mirrors can be heated using the rear window defroster switch. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.